Hey, what's up? It's your girl Jasmine with the G, back at it again with another video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell, because like I always say, if you don't, you're not gonna know that I posted a video. So what's the point of subscribing? So go ahead and hit that bell and go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me because you clicked this video. And so yeah, support your girl. So today what we're gonna be doing is learning how to glue on your false eyelashes and have them looking natural. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you how this method that my mom taught me. And since she taught me that, I promise you it's stuck with me forever. Like, it's like the easiest and the most easiest way to learn how to put your lashes on to me. So yeah, go ahead and get ready. Oh, let me tell y'all what type of glue I use too. I use hair glue because I feel like a lot of people are caught on to this, because I promise you if you use the regular eyelash glue, your eyelashes are gonna be coming off. Trust me, in about 30 minutes. They're gonna be flying everywhere. So yeah, go ahead and in this glue, just don't get it in your eyes, okay? Come on. And that's just like the eyelash glue, just don't get it in your eyes. But this lasts forever, all night. You could sleep in them, wake up the next day, your eyelashes will still look cute. So yeah, this is the glue that I use. And while I'm doing my lashes, I'm gonna tell y'all this quick story time of something that happened to me the other day. Like at the gas station. A little quick story time when I'm putting my lashes on. And I don't squeeze it out. I open the top and I dip it, because every time I squeeze it out, it goes everywhere. And I do not like that. Some on my hand. But yeah, every time that I squeeze it out, it just goes everywhere, and I don't want my lashes to get messed up. And I'm gonna use an old pair of lashes. I don't know if I just said that. I feel like I did. I'm gonna use an old pair of my lashes because they still look good to me. Wait, no, I didn't say that. Whatever, because they look new to me. So that's why I'm still wearing them. They still look good while I open up a new pair when my old ones still look good. But yes, while I'm waiting for that to dry up a little bit, let me tell you guys what happened to me at the gas station the other day. Okay, so me and my brother, my oldest brother, girlfriend, we had went to the gas station to get some gas, right? And I parked my car and I walked around my car to go inside to the gas station. And this lady, she was leaving, right? She was about to pull off, and she was, okay, this is what she did. Let me tell you what she did. Let me tell you what I saw, and whatever. Okay, so this is what she did, right? I was walking, this is her, right? I see her pulling off. I was walking, and then I stopped. And then okay, so I'm thinking, I'm stopping to let her go. Like, okay, let me just let her go. Whatever, I can wait. So I stopped to let her go, and then she see me stop. This lady gonna reach out to throw some trash in the trash can. I'm like, okay, she stopped, so let me continue to walk. While I'm about to continue to walk, she gonna try to go before I go. And I'm like, okay, and this is what she did though. I'm like, okay, let me let her go. And then she didn't go. She seen me try to let her go. And then I'm like, okay, let me just go, because she stopped to throw something in the trash. I go up. She pull up and like about to hit me, and she see me, and then I'm like, I didn't even do anything. I didn't say, like, she wasn't gonna hit me. You know what I'm saying? Like, she just wasn't trying to wait for me. And I'm like, damn, I was gonna let you go, and then you stopped to throw something in the trash. Why would you? Like, I just didn't understand. Like, whatever. So that's what happened. She oh shit, let me before this dry up too quick. She I a lot on my videos. So she had pulled up because she was gonna go, because she didn't want me to go first. I'm like, damn. But let me tell you, I didn't make no type of gestures to let her know. I mean, I kind of did. Let me let you know. I didn't cuss her out. I didn't do nothing like that. I was just like looking over here, and I was just like, whoo. Like, I made that face like, whoa. Like, and she was just like, I don't give a fuck. I'm just like, what? I said, girl, calm down. And I just kept walking. If she gonna wait, she's waiting outside, like at the thing, like, I don't give a fuck. I'm like, damn, you mad, okay? And she was probably, see, that's what I'm saying. Insecure ass females, you gotta watch out for those, because I didn't do shit to her. I didn't cuss her out, and I was gonna let her go first, and she just didn't want me to go. But anyways, let me tell y'all the method that my mom taught me. So first, you stick the middle part in. You start with the middle part. See, I'm not gonna know, so just bear with me. So you start off with placing the middle on first, and then you place the sides down. So I don't know if I made sense. So you start off with placing it in the middle, Oh Lord, it stuck to my hand. I hate when that shit happens. Let me know if that happened to y'all. The eyelash gets stuck to your hair. You think you about to glue it on? It gets stuck to your freaking skin. Okay, you place it down in the middle first. And then you start by putting the sides down. The middle and the sides. The glue feels dry already. What the heck? And then you squeeze them together to make them look natural. My eye watering. Yes, Mom. Yes. Mom. She puts lashes on so good. That's why I say this method works too bomb. That's why I'm gonna forever use it. See how quick that was? So let me try to put this. Hopefully the glue didn't dry that fast. But yes. You see how she did me at the gas station though? I'm like, I'm trying to be polite and nice. And you wanna throw your trash away and not let me go. I'm like, girl, you stopped to throw your trash away. Shouldn't I be able to go? Like, I don't get it. You wanted me to wait till after you threw your trash away? Like, that didn't make sense to me, and it still doesn't. So, she was big bad. So, like I said, start from the middle, place the middle down, then place the sides down. So, let me try to get this side. Damn, I can't see. Maybe I should use my left hand. Yep. My baby, she can use her left and right hand. Isn't that dope? My left hand is crippled as hell. It won't do nothing. I don't use it enough, I guess. You guys, these lashes, I'm telling you, my mom method is so good. And they're on. That's it. Shaboom. Shabam. What? Okay, so yes, that's how you put your lashes on, and they will be on all day if you use this glue. I'm telling you, use hair glue. Use it. Don't get in your eye though, okay? And that's how you do it. So if you're new to my channel, because I can't never talk, okay, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe and the bell and hit that thumbs up, you guys. Thank you, ladies, for coming in, or gentlemen, no matter. So thank you for coming in and tuning into my video. Once again, subscribe and comment at the bottom and like. Thank you. Bye.